Hey y'all, join me today as I show you how to make turkey hot dog chili. If you're watching your calories, this is the chili to make. For this recipe, you will want to use 1 pound of lean ground turkey. Add your turkey to a large saucepan and add enough tap water to the saucepan so that it just covers the turkey. Now, for the not so fun part. Using your hand, mash the turkey into the water so that it breaks it up. If this part grosses you out, you can either not look, wear gloves, or get someone else to do it. I promise you though, in the end, you'll get this result. Just hang in there. To the turkey, add 1 cup of ketchup. I'm using half regular and half sugar-free, but you can totally use all regular ketchup or all sugar-free ketchup. You're also going to add 1 tablespoon of worst word in the world sauce, 2.5 teaspoons of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. Stir so that the ingredients are well combined. Again, this part doesn't look appetizing, but I promise you, in the end, you will get this result. Trust the process. Cover your saucepan and bring the chili to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and allow it to simmer for 1 hour with the lid on. Make sure to stir it occasionally so the chili does not stick to the bottom of the pan. All right, y'all, that's it. That's how you make turkey hot dog chili. I hope I didn't gross you out too much, and I really hope you give this chili a try. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.